Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Hiril Kaparia and I've brought this video to banking students. Every person should know the basic knowledge of bank and even this can be asked in the interview. So there is being general knowledge like enacted years what you should know about the bank and even please share this video so every person should learn about this thing and let's start. Bank overview, history and enacted years. This actually have brought this video for a basic knowledge and basic overview, a micro knowledge about the bank. I'm going to bring about the terminologies of bank, so please be tuned and be connected. You will be getting next video soon. Okay, now we will start the video. Nature of banking. Bank word derived. Italian word banco. Now banco means what? Bench and table. In olden days, the money lender used to carry a bench or a desk to the marketplace and lend money to the needy people and collect the excess money from the public. Okay, in olden days, this was the working cycle where the bench and desk used to be a marketplace. Okay, he used to lend this money. Okay, even he used to lend the money. Lend the money means to give the money, that is as a loan. We used to give this word as a loan terminology or a term we used to use it, that is a loan, okay, to the needy people, then collect the excess money from the public. So this was the cycle of the olden days. Even now it is the same, but what it is, bank means, okay, the line what I have wrote it, it's very important. Bank means a place where money is accepted or lended. Now this is the thing where if the people used to ask what is the bank, bank is a place where money is accepted or lended. Okay, this is both the thing very important in the bank. Okay, so next we will go, it's a Banking Regulation Act 1949. See now this definition and this a Banking Regulation Act 1949, which is very important. This is what I was going to say, that GK question or general knowledge you should have. In interview maybe they asked that when the Banking Regulation Act, so you should know that it was in a 1949 and the definition is about what? Section 5B of the Banking Regulation Act 1949 defined as accepting for the purpose of lending or investment of deposits of money from the public, repayable on demand or otherwise, and withdrawal by check, draft, order or otherwise. Now what this mean? This actually mean a lot of things where you will be getting how the bank working cycle goes on, how does it work. This is very main thing, accepting for the purpose of lending. Now the people, the people used to give money to the bank. So what bank does, it accept the money, right? That money what he used to do, that money he used to lend to the needy people, okay, or he can do investment. So after investment he gets the return or a profit, so you get the advantages of the interest, right? You get the interest after paying the money. So that how it comes, it comes by the investment that he does it, okay, of money. Now this line has been over. Now we will go to the repayable on demand or otherwise. Now if whenever you need a money, you can just demand for that, you get that repayable, okay, or otherwise means in any way. And withdrawal by check, draft, order or otherwise. Withdraw, we can withdraw by check, draft, order, that is the standing instruction what you gives it, that is what order, or otherwise means etc in any way. Okay, this is what very important, what you should know. And in this one definition you have got the work of bank, how it goes on, right? So this is what important. Next we will go is the function of bank. Okay, function of banking is two type of function. There is a primary and secondary. Now in primary, there is a accepting deposits, lending, loan, right? Secondary, there is a general utility agency function. Now in primary there is a two type, accepting, lending, loan, right? So this is the chart where you can take a screenshot, or you can note down this thing, because it's very important. Some common people should know this thing. Okay, now we will learn in this all things in detail. Accepting deposits. Now in accepting deposits, there is a four types of account. Okay, there is a one, saving account. This account is opened by the salary earner or any person. Okay, who can be a household, who can be any person, like a earner person who wants to create the saving habits. Okay, this is for the saving person who wants us to create the saving habits. Okay, here there will be you will be getting the minimum interest, that is the 4%. Okay, and this is what the saving account means. Current account is actually a demand account, we can say. This is what the person who is a businessman, it is for that important account, what they get the facility of overdraft means excess amount withdrawn from the account. So that is what the overdraft facility he gets. It's a one type of short loan businessman used to get. So this facility is given only to the current people, that is of businessmen. Okay, then it's a recurring account. Recurring account is, in word it is said that it's recurring again and again. So you have to pay a fixed amount, deposit at a regular interval. So you get over here what, saving and recurring is the same, but only difference is that recurring you have to pay in a fixed amount and regular interval. You have to pay regular interval every time, but you get here a facility like you get high interest than the saving account. So this is what you get in a recurring. It's beneficial to a recurring people that they get a high interest than the saving account. Then there is a fixed account. Okay, what is a fixed account? It's also told by people that it is a time account. Time account means what? It has been 45 days, like minimum you should keep your money for 45 days or maximum to 10 years. Okay, so you get your saving and recurring, this both account. More than that you get a high interest, that is of saving and recurring. Both, if you feel that if you wanted to keep for a longer period and you are not needed for your money, then you should go for a fixed account. You will be getting a high interest than the saving and recurring. So this is the fixed account. Then lending loans have okay, I will just give you a one lending loan example instance, so you may be able to know what is the loan actually. Okay, I'm a bank. Okay, just feel that I'm a bank and you are the customer. Now you wanted a loan and you come to me to take a loan. It can be in any different purpose, like home loan you want, or otherwise you want any gold loan, education loan, motor car loan. Okay, any loan you wanted to take, you will come for that different purpose. And the principal amount what I'm going to give to you, it is called principal amount. See, whatever I'm going to amount which is granted to you is called principal amount. Okay, the customer, that is you, that you will be getting that principal amount. After that, after getting that principal amount, you have to pay to me, right? You have to pay to the bank. What that will be, it will be done in an installment with interest you have to pay. So this EMI is very important. EMI is the equally monthly installment. So this EMI full form you should know. This is full form you should actually write it down, that EMI equally monthly installment. So this EMI you have to pay in with interest to the bank. Okay, so this how the loan system goes on. And again, this is the one like short, medium, long. What is this? Short means like it is been for more than one, that's it. After that, medium, there will be till 5 years. After that, long is more than 5 years. So this is how the steps goes on. So if you are being connected to more than, like you are having for a 10 years of loan, so that means you are being connected to a long term loan. Next, general utility. General utility means general use. That is the credit card, safe deposit wallet. Okay, what is safe deposit wallet? Safe deposit wallet is a locker. Okay, it's a locker where you have to, if sometime our money, precious things like gold or something else, what we feel unsafe at home, so where we should keep. So there is a facility where bank gives us that you should keep in a locker where bank has it, and in that bank it is safe because there is a two master key where we have. One key will be having by a bank and another key will be given to us. So this both key is actually very important to open that locker. If you have been inserted two key, then only that locker is going to open. Without one key it is not going to open. So it is a safest locker into a bank. Okay, now discounting BOE. BOE, what it is? Bills of exchange. Discounting bill of exchange. Now what is discounting bill of exchange? Now this discounting means before a maturity you want a money. Okay, so in that sense you will go to the bank. So you will in bank you will sell this BOE and you will get a deducted certain amount of it. So because of emergency you do it before maturity. If you want money, so you will just sell to the bank this BOE, that is the bills of exchange, and they will give a certain amount. Okay, in this way your discounting of bills of exchange will be created. In this thing, one thing which is amount is deducted. Okay, that will be the income for the bank. Okay, so this what it was, the BOE, discounting BOE. Now agency function. Yes, bank act as an agent to the public. See, bank used to pay insurance premium, electricity bill, transfer money from one account to another, collection check. So all these things it is done by the bank. So he act as an agent to us, that is for public. Okay, used to do this all the activity to us. So this is like we can say he is an agent to our public. So now we will go to the another slide. Yes, history of bank and enacted years. Now okay, in India, who started? This was the government of Bengal started a bank in India. First presidency bank was the Bank of Calcutta. Okay, here this point comes. Very important, Bank of Calcutta, जो first presidency bank था, that was the 1806. You should know which bank came. First was the Bank of Calcutta. 1806 में आया था. This can be asked in an interview, and you should know this thing. Bank of Madras was the 1843. Now the Imperial Bank of India was in 1920, and he established an RBI in 1935. Very much important. RBI, Reserve Bank of India. What is the Reserve Bank of India? Who is it? He is the Banko ka bank, bankers bank, last resort. The word it is used or termed, it is used, we can also say the father and mother of the bank. Okay, so this is the Reserve Bank. नाम पे ही पता चल जाता है कि बैंकों का बैंक है. राइट. दिस इज़ द बैंकों का बैंक. यहाँ पे ये लोग डील फॉरेन एक्सचेंज के साथ करते हैं. इवन यू मे बी नॉट नोइंग और नोइंग, आई डोंट नो, बट ये नोट्स इशू कौन करता है? ये नोट इशू जो है वो आरबीआई करता है, एंड जो कॉइन इशू करते हैं वो गवर्नमेंट करता है. ओके, सो दिस इज़ व्हाट आरबीआई डज इट. नॉट ओनली दिस, देर इज़ मेनी मोर थिंग्स लाइक इंटरेस्ट जो वो फिक्स्ड होते हैं वो कौन करता है? वो आरबीआई करता है. ओके, देन इवन देर विल बी यू नो फॉरेन रिजर्व, ये एक्सचेंज, ये सब आपको पता नहीं रहेगा. आई एम गोइंग टू यू नो अपलोड दिस ऑल टर्मिनोलॉजीज वीडियो. एंड देन यहाँ पे ये कंट्रोल क्रेडिट जो होता है, देन एवरीथिंग विच आरबीआई के रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस जो बैंकों के लिए होता है वो सब आरबीआई करता है. दिस इज़ वॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट आई वॉन्टेड टू से. एंड इवन द बैंकिंग रेगुलेशन एक्ट 1949 जो हमने लास्ट टू लास्ट स्लाइड में रीड किया था. So this is the thing what I wanted to you know give you a knowledge or make you learn this thing, because I feel banking students should know this thing, even not for a banking, for even you know public or common people should also know this thing. So this was a micro video what I felt. It's about to 20 minutes. You should you know go through this thing, and any type of interview if you go like, yeah, if it's mainly for a bank interview, it's important. So yes, thank you so much for being connected. Stay tuned, like, share and subscribe, because it's very important. Like, I'm going to you know bring out the video of terminology, what I'm saying again and again. I'm sorry for that. And yeah, just you know press that bell icon, so whenever the next video comes you get the notification of it. So be tuned, stay tuned, and like, share, because you know if you are going to share it, so every person will be getting some you know basic knowledge. It will be helpful for them. So you're doing good thing by sharing it. And subscribe, so you know you will be also getting updated and the bringing up towards this. Okay, thank you so much. Bye, take care, love you.